Today, we're going through the complete oil change procedure for the Maverick R DCT gearbox. This walkthrough will give you a clear and accurate step-by-step process from preparation to final checks. Here's what you need to know before starting. The DCT oil and filter must be changed at 3,000 kilometers, again at 6,000 kilometers, and then as part of the regular maintenance schedule. Under normal use, this service is required every 3,000 kilometers, every 100 hours, or once per year. In severe or cold conditions, plan to change the oil every 1,500 kilometers, 50 hours, or every 6 months, since these conditions break down the oil faster and increase stress on the drivetrain. For this service, you'll need a drain pan, a flexible funnel, and the DCT service kit, which includes the oil filter, 500 milliliters of gear oil, and new O-rings and gasket rings. You'll also need a 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch ratchet set with shallow sockets and extensions, a torque wrench, clean rags, and safety glasses. Use the XPS Full Synthetic DCT oil for proper lubrication and system performance. Warm the vehicle for a few minutes to bring the DCT oil up to temperature. Park on a level surface, shift into park, and shut the engine off. Clean around both gearbox drain plugs to prevent dirt from entering the system. Place a drain pan under the gearbox. Remove both magnetic drain plugs and discard the old gasket rings and O-ring. Clean any metal residue from the magnets before reinstalling them later. Move to the right rear wheel well. Remove the hydraulic valve and the oil filter protective cover. Then clean around the filter area. Cut the tie wrap, unplug the temperature sensor, and remove the filter cover. Discard the old O-ring. Wipe the oil filter inlet and outlet areas to ensure everything is clean before reassembly. Remove the hydraulic housing drain plug and discard the sealing ring. Allow the oil to drain completely from the housing. Install a new sealing ring and torque the plug to specifications. Apply a thin coat of DCT oil to the seal of the new filter and install it. Lubricate the new O-ring and place it on the filter cover. Then reinstall the cover and torque the screws to specification. Reconnect the temperature sensor and secure the wiring with a new tie wrap. Install new O-rings and gasket rings onto both gearbox drain plugs. Reinstall them and torque to specification using a 3/8 inch torque wrench. On the left side of the engine, remove the gearbox filler plug using a 10mm Allen key and discard the old gasket ring. Using a flexible funnel, fill the gearbox with the recommended DCT oil. Reinstall the filler plug with a new gasket ring and torque to specification. Wipe any spilled oil. Start the engine and let it idle for 2 minutes. Shut it off and wait 3 minutes. Check the DCT oil level. It should reach the top of the outermost thread of the level hole. Adjust the level if needed. Reinstall the oil level plug and torque it to specification. Reinstall the hydraulic valve filter protective cover and torque it to specifications. The service kit also includes final drive oil. Refer to the owner's manual for that procedure. This completes the DCT gearbox oil change procedure for the Maverick R. For torque values, maintenance intervals, or additional service steps, always refer to the operator's manual.